Oh my, just look at all these bottle rockets here. In case you're wondering, yes, that's my punk. So, what am I going to be doing with all that? Well, it turns out I've figured out a way to get a whole bunch lit at once. Ring a bell? Yeah, does this thing here ring a bell? You know, smoke ball? Well, to do this properly, what you need to do is, see how you got this odd dark area right here? This dark area? Well, what you need to have it, and also note that all the fuses are pretty much all at the same height. Well, one thing you could do is this. Put it like this and have it aim toward that. But nope, there's an even better way to get a whole bunch off at once. And that's to have it like this. But, as is, it's very difficult to light. So, instead, bend the fuse. And don't bend it in just one spot. What I usually like to do is bend it in 2 spots. Okay, 2 spots. That way, I can have it pointed here like that, and I can have this fuse sticking out. See what I'm getting? See, now all I need to do is just light that fuse, and whoever knows how many of these are going to go off at once. Current record's 20, or 19, I mean. Like, 19 is close to 20, so you'd expect it to be 20. So, light this and run. They're going to send firecrackers now, so watch it. Rats, only got 7. So just wait for it to chill down some. Yeah, there's still some residual smoke. Throw that away. Now, to get rid of this, so we can do another round, be careful not to touch the fuse. And so, there's also a chance you might end up running it out. So, grab another one. Off it goes. And repeat. So, here we go with another round of this. Hopefully my punk is still there. Ready? Oh, gee, wow. That really got a lot. That's like, I think, 15 in 1. These are super jumping jacks. So, what do? This is what they do. Run! And that's actually just one. So what happens when you combo these? Well, this is what happens. Ready? Run! Wow, that got so bright my camera actually had to tone down the brightness and sensitivity. But that's what happens when you combo them. This is one of those Magnum flashers. Oh yeah, yep, I'm gonna light it. These things are bright. And my camera might go haywire. Ready? Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. That's it. And that is the leftover shell.